Hello everyone. Today we will see a sum on value at risk. It is the sum. ABC Limited has invested rupees 1000 million portfolio over 2 years period. The standard deviation of rate of return is 20% per annum. You are required to measure VAR at 95% confidence level. Here VAR means value at risk, and to solve this sum we have three formula. Initially, we need to calculate daily volatility, where daily volatility is annual volatility divided by square root 250. So 250 will be the number of trading days in a year. So we need to calculate initially daily volatility, where daily volatility is annual volatility divided by square root 50. After getting daily volatility, the second phase is to calculate 1 day VAR, 1 day value at risk. Formula is position value into daily volatility into confidence level Z value. Then the third formula is end day VAR. End day VAR will be calculated by applying a formula where end day VAR is equal to 1 day VAR into square root n. Given in this sum, annual volatility that is standard deviation of the investment given in the sum 20% per annum. So that itself is the annual volatility. Then position value is also given. Position value is nothing but the amount of investment which is given in the sum rupees 1000 million and period, that is n, given 2 years. So 2 years is going to be 2 into 250 number of trading days, so which is going to be 500 days. So for the purpose of calculation of VAR, initially we need to calculate daily volatility, then 1 day VAR, then end day VAR. So let us calculate daily volatility first of all. Formula is annual volatility divided by square root 50. Annual volatility is standard deviation of rate of return, that is 20%, so which can be written as 0.2 divided by square root 250. We'll get annual volatility as 0.01265. Then we need to calculate 1 day VAR. Formula is position value into daily volatility into confidence level Z value. So position value given 1000 into daily volatility we have calculated, that is 0.01265 into confidence level Z value, as it is given 95% confidence level, and the Z value at this 95% confidence level is going to be 1.645. So here confidence level Z value means it will be 1.645, will get 20.809. Then we supposed to calculate end day VAR here, as it is given for 2 years. So 2 years where we need to calculate, so which is going to be the formula 1 day var into square root n. So 1 day var is 20.809 into square root 500. 500 means 2 into 250, 2 years. So we will get 200. We will get square root 500. So which is going to be 465.8 million rupees. Thank you.